All right, so let's just try this out. Let's identify the relationship between angles 1 and 4. So angle 1 and angle 4, okay? They're directly opposite each other. Those are called vertical angles, and those would be congruent. I'm just going to write that for myself because that's going to matter later. Those are congruent. None of the other ones are correct. Number 2, angle 1 and angle 8. So angle 1 and angle 8. So here's my transversal. One is on the left and one is on the right. So they're alternate something. So not vertical, not corresponding, not supplementary. So are they alternate interior or alternate exterior? Well, interior would be in between the parallel lines, but they're on the outside. So these are alternate exterior. One more. Angles 1 and angle 5. What's their relationship? So here's angle 1. Here's angle 5. All right. Well, they're on the same side of the transversal. They're both on the left. So they're not alternate anything. Okay. They're not vertical because they're not opposite each other. So are these corresponding or are these supplementary? All right, so they're on the same side. They're also both sitting above the parallel line. That makes them corresponding. Try 3 more and then check your work for those.